Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share great content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're here so you don't forget, and that way you will never miss out on my content. Now in today's video, I'm going to discuss the shocking truth about your future, about our future. Now, right now we're still going through this health situation, and a lot of people have given up on life. A lot of people have unfortunately passed away because of the issues that we're going through right now, and this is basically an ongoing situation that's probably going to be with us for a couple more years. But that doesn't prevent you from taking charge of your life. So like I said, my channel is basically on personal finance and wealth creation. Don't get me wrong, I don't claim to be a multi-millionaire. I'm doing okay, but there's still room for improvement, which is why I started this YouTube channel, to share some of my knowledge with people out there, to inspire people, and also it motivates me to stay on track with my goals and my objectives. I know sometimes things can be very difficult, and trying to juggle our work, our family, extracurricular activities, stuff like that. So I'm not sitting here trying to be a guru, but I'm just being sincere with you and just being upfront and candid that you are responsible for your future. All right. Unfortunately, most people rely or believe that somebody else will take care of their future for them, or somebody else will be there to provide for them. Unfortunately, you are responsible for your future. If you don't get things in order today, you will pay the price in the future. As an example, a lot of us only have one source of income. Okay, in my previous videos, I've stressed the importance of having multiple sources of income. So most of us, just have job, and that's one of the most riskiest positions you can put yourself, when you just have one source of income, which is your job. Your company can decide, they want to downsize, they want to move operations somewhere, or they can get it done cheaper. And guess what? It doesn't matter if you've worked at the company for 30 years, you're going to get, terminated. All right. They'll replace you easily with somebody else, who they can pay, cheaper, and still get the work done. So unfortunately, there's no loyalty anymore when it comes to employers and employee. Okay, and also you are free to move to a different employer, so it's not like you're stuck where you are. So my main goal here is just to tell you, the simple truth about your future, that if you don't find ways, okay, to improve yourself every single day, in a few years, you're gonna be wondering, where did all that time go? What exactly happened to me? Okay, so you are responsible for your future. Don't let anyone deceive you. Don't let people deceive you. Don't let anyone steal your dreams. Don't let anyone steal your goals. I've been at fault as well. Listen to people, and unfortunately, there were opportunities that I had, and I, lost out on because I did not continue with those opportunities. Okay, but you can't cry over spilled milk. Okay, that's the past, and now it's the future. But I'm saying we're starting off a new year, 2022, and I'm sure most of you already had New Year's resolutions that you've made, or maybe some of you haven't, or maybe you're still working on resolutions from 5 years ago. Okay, which is the case with most of us. We have a health goal, we have a financial goal, we have a relationship goal, and we never seem to accomplish any of this. Okay, it all comes down to you. You are responsible for your future. Don't rely on someone else to take care of your future for you. Okay, when it comes to your finance, you are responsible for your finance. When it comes to your health, you're responsible for your health. Okay, you want to make sure that you take your health seriously, because that's all you have. Okay, I just lost a dear friend. He was barely 50 and he passed away. He was struggling with some health issues over the years, and it's very unfortunate that he finally passed away, and I'll miss him dearly. It just dawned on me that, life is not guaranteed. Okay, you can be here today and gone tomorrow. What you leave behind is your legacy. What legacy are you going to leave behind? Okay, how would you live your life, or how would you have lived your life when that time comes? All right. like when you go to the cemetery and you see people's tombstones and all that, it shows when they were born and when they died, and in between there is a dash. All right, what did you do within that dash? Okay, so somebody could have been born 1980 and then they passed away 2022 or 2020, and there's a dash between those years. Okay, it all comes down to what did you do within that time period. How did you live your life? Okay, what did you contribute to society? Okay, what kind of father were you, or mother were you, or brother or sister? So it all comes down to you. You are responsible for your future. Okay, that's the sad truth. Okay, you're responsible for your finance, you're responsible for your health, you're responsible for your wealth, you're responsible for your happiness. Okay, you cannot rely on the government or rely on family, to get you where you need to be. Yes, it's always good to have family around to support you, to motivate you, but at the end of the day, everyone has their own battles, everyone has their own issues that they have to deal with. So this video is not meant to be a downer, but it's meant to be an eye-opener, and to make sure that you realize that you are responsible for yourself, you're responsible for your future. Don't buy into the lies that you hear from people, or hoping or wishing that things will happen for you. You have to take action. All right, and now's the time for you to take action. All right, whether it's starting a side business, whether it's starting a new business while you still have your full-time job, which is what I'm doing and which is what a lot of people are doing. Okay, you start building multiple streams of income, and within a year or 2 or 5 years, okay, things can change. All right, like this YouTube channel, I started this YouTube channel last year, and right now it's slowly growing. Currently at 11,400 subscribers. It's been a slow process, but anything worthwhile is worth doing well and taking your time. Okay, life is a marathon, it's not a sprint. All right, so the sad truth is you are responsible for your future. So now's the time for you to buckle down, come up with a game plan. All right, I don't have anything to sell you, I don't have anything to to market to you, but I do have links down below where you can check out some resources that might help you, benefit you. And if they don't benefit you, that's fine, you don't have to click on it. But I do thank you for being here all the time and watching my videos. But you got to remember that the truth is you are responsible for your future, and you need to take action starting today. Don't procrastinate, because that's what normally happens to most of us. We come up with plans, we get all excited, it's a new year, it's a new beginning, and then by the end of the first quarter of this year, most people will have fallen on the wayside with their plans and their goals and their objectives. Okay, so don't let that be you. Okay, I'm counting on you. All right, if it is maybe starting a YouTube channel, maybe you have something of value you can share with people, turn on your camera, record your video. I mean, there are lots of resources on YouTube on how to start your channel, how to grow a channel. You can check the links down below in my description. Okay, I have videos on how to start your YouTube channel. I don't claim to be an expert. I only have 11,000 subscribers. It's not like I have a million subscribers, but it all starts with baby steps. Most of the people on YouTube did not just get all successful, but it was consistency and constantly putting out content and not being afraid to look into the camera and record yourself and speak. Like I said, I'm not I'm a very reserved person, but when it comes to what I'm passionate about, which is sharing content with you and sharing content with my friends and my subscribers, I'm very, very passionate about that, helping people avoid some of the mistakes that I have made. So thank you again for being here, and I hope you found value in this video, and I hope it was kind of enlightening for you. Okay, this is a new year, a new beginning. The sad truth is you're responsible for your future. If you keep doing what you're doing, you will keep getting what you're getting. Okay, you have to change something in order to have a different outcome. All right, you just need a little tweak. You just got to tweak something and you have a different outcome. Okay, like Einstein said, doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different outcome is insanity. Okay, I hate to use that word, but that's what it is, because if you keep doing the same thing, you will keep getting the same thing. So you want to do things that others don't do, so you can get things that others can get. All right, I don't know, but you get the gist. Okay, so do all the hard work now, so later you'll get to enjoy your the fruits of your labor. Okay, so thank you again for being here today. As usual, don't forget to do that, hit the subscribe button, and also smash the thumbs up button so YouTube can share this video with other people like you. All right, so thank you again for being here, and as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And make sure you stay tuned for the next video coming up. It contains valuable information that's going to be valuable to you. Okay, so take care, have a nice day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.